Hello, you're welcome to this presentation or tutorial. We thank God for Cash FX. Now, due to requests by the people, Cash FX has just implemented split payments. So, what does this one mean? It means that you can pay part of your upgrade in cash if you don't have enough balance to upgrade. For example, you want to upgrade from 300 to 500 and you need 250 to upgrade internally, but you don't have up to that, assuming you have up to 200. So before now you cannot pay the extra 550. You have to wait until you have your $50 from the trading profit, but now you can add the extra 50. Okay, so this is a brief tutorial. I'll keep it short. Let's log in now to my account. Okay, put in the login and the Google authentication pin. Now I'm logged in. This particular account, it's a $300 account. Now I want to upgrade it to 500. To upgrade to 500, I need $250 to be in the account, but I don't have up to that. I have just $125. That means before now I have to wait until I have the $250, or I take extra $200 from my pocket to upgrade. But now, thanks to CashFX, I can add the balance to upgrade. So what do? I click on upgrade. Comes up how to upgrade. You can watch the video, but I'll just scroll down here. Now I want to upgrade to 500. Okay, you can see that I need, so I click on upgrade. Now for me to upgrade, you either pay a fresh $200 from your pocket using the BTC deposit, or you click on it and you click on withdraw from the balance to pay for purchase $125.19. That's what I have in the balance, and I need $106.11 to add to it. So I click on that, I come and agree, I continue. Now CashFX knows, automatically tells you your current wallet balance is $125.19. Your balance does not cover your whole purchase, but your whole purchase. We will be deducting $125.19 from your balance. The remaining $106.11 can be paid with BTC, or you go back. So now this is the breakdown. I'm on Academy Pack 150, that's the $300. Now I need $200 to upgrade. The current pack is 300. Total withdrawal required 125.19. Withdrawal fee of 20%, 31.30. So what I have left is actually 93.39. So I need 106.11 to upgrade, and total amount to be paid will become 200. So what do? I click on confirm order. So we wait for the system. Okay, it's coming now. I'm now to put in the balance of $106. So what do? This is the amount in Bitcoin. So I transfer the amount in this, the amount, and this is the address it goes. And once that one is done, upgrade automatically gets going, and the account becomes upgraded to $500. This is the same way you can also upgrade to any other package, from one package to the other, when you don't have enough balance in the system, and so you want to bring up the balance from your pocket to upgrade. That way you upgrade as quickly as possible. Thank you very much. I hope I've been able to show you this brief tutorial. Thank you. And once again, before you go, please subscribe to the channel, Wealthy Trade Academy, and get to see many other tutorial videos there. God bless you.